Hey everyone, welcome back to FixGenie. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a folder on your Lenovo laptop. First, find the folder you want to delete. Right-click on the folder. Now, click Delete. If you don't see the Delete option, click Show More Options, then select Delete. Your folder will now be removed from its original location. Keep in mind that the folder isn't permanently deleted yet. If you want to delete permanently, open the recycle bin from your desktop. Find the folder you just deleted. Right-click on it and choose Delete, or click Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove all deleted files. Now the folder has been completely deleted from your Lenovo laptop. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to FixGenie, and turn on the notification bell for more Lenovo laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.